Let's check out the Quizatron.
Quizatron 9000.
Okay, 5 new questions. Again, you can record your answers and check them in the solutions video for this chapter. Question 1. When you want to access content from another entity from a reference field in a view, what do you use to do it? A, a filter, B, a node, C, a relationship, D, the rewrite results tool. Question 2. If you want to change a textual list field to checkboxes instead of a select box, what do? A, change the number of values allowed for the field. B, go to the Manage Display settings for the content type. C, go to the Manage Form Display settings for the content type. Or D, change the type of field that you use. Question 3. You can use a reference field to reference users or nodes, true or false. Question 4. To use another field in the Rewrite Results tool in Views, that other field needs to be located A, above the field you're editing, B, below the field you're editing, C, the order doesn't matter, or D, this is a trick question. And question 5. Personal contact forms are available for who by default? Check all that apply. A, authenticated users, B, anonymous users, C, administrators, or D, anyone with the right URL.